Hi guys, it's me, Kafo, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple game, and I'm going to be using an application called Scratch, and to use it, you just go to this website, scratch.mit.edu, and you just log in, you click create, and then there's this editor, and you can just snap blocks together to make a simple game. But today I'm gonna be using this application called Scratch on my computer, and you can just download it on a Scratch website if you want to. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple game. And when you start up Scratch, you will see this cat. We call it a sprite. Just let me name this fat cat. Actually, no, just cat. And so we can give a command. For example, we could say, when I press D, move 10 steps. And that is what it will do. Or we could do the opposite. We could make it negative, and it will move negative steps. Move back. And now I'm going to show you how to move up. So to move up, it's a little more complicated. So first you go to motions, and then you say point in direction 0, and then you say move 10 steps up, and move in direction 180. Wait a sec, there's something incorrect. Here it is. No, that's not it. Yeah, there it is. And so you can use this duplicate button, which is really useful to make a copy of it. And here I'll just press S. And here you can do the same with negative 10 steps. So now I have my cat that can move. But to make things a little bit more complicated, you see there's these two costumes. And every time I want to press a key, I want the cat to change a costume. So what I do is I go to looks, and I go to next costume, and I put them on all the ones, and I just see it moves. Okay, now the cat's moving, but I want to have another character. So for example, I click new sprite. You can import photos, but I'll just make a circle, a black circle. Actually, no, I'll do a cookie. So these are the colors you have, and these are different shapes. And you can also get even more colors. And today I'm just gonna be doing circle. And you can choose between a hoop and a fully colored circle. So now I'm just gonna do a fully colored circle. And I'm gonna do little black dots on the circle, which makes it look like cookies. And I just rename it cookie. And I duplicate it by clicking copy, and I edit it by making another costume. You can have as many costumes as you like. And I want to resize my cookie, so to do that, I click this and I shrink it, or I make it bigger. And then I go back to here, scripts, and I do almost the same thing. So up arrow. I just click duplicate and then it's here. Down arrow. Duplicate. And here, right arrow. Press move 10 steps. Move 10 steps in next costume. And by the way, when you scroll, it acts as the arrows button. And so here, this is left arrow. So wait a sec, this is incorrect. So now I have two fully moving characters. But I want to make it special. And I'm gonna add variables so I can make things like cat's health and cookies health and I can do commands like if touching cookie, then change cookie's health by -10. And I can just duplicate this. Wait a sec. And import it into all of Cookie's move as well. So here we have if touching cat. But you need to change cat's health. And you move this. But in this game, I want to have a reset button. So what I do is I just go here. Never mind that dot. And I just go to here and I click text. And then I just do restart. And then here's my restart button. And I just click when. Okay, I'm just gonna name this restart. And so when restart, press set everything, cat's health, cookie's health. And then I want to stop all the scripts. Stop all, that's very important. So I click, no, wait a sec. Now I want to set it to 100. Everybody starts at 100 health. And when I click restart, what is that? Why is it not working? Wait a sec. Yeah, that's it. And so what I need to do is I need to make these two sprites touch each other and cause some death. But then now if you have negative deaths, if you have negative health, it does nothing. So you want to make sure that you say if health, and you go to here, cat health is smaller than then say I lose, and then set everything. The order doesn't really matter. To 100, and then stop hold, so it acts as an embedded restart, and I just embed this here and I just duplicate it. Oh, and again I press duplicate and I go to cookie. But it's very important here that you drag the cat's health here and change it to cookie's health, and you just do the same thing almost. And that is where you have a really simple game. Now what I want to do is I want to, when you restart, it might restart at some position like this, but then I want to have them apart when they restart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 new sprites. I'm gonna do this dot 1. How come I can't move it? Oh, there it is. Dot 1. And then I'm going to do things like, when this green flag clicks, that means when the game starts, then hide. And I need to duplicate this as well. Where is it? Here it is. Dot 2. And I'm gonna go here, motion, go to what was that? Dot 1's that cookie. So cat's gonna go to dot 2. So I'm gonna go to dot 2, duplicate. And you know what to do, just continue on duplicating. But then here I need to change it to dot 1. And now I duplicate it. And drag this back in. So now, if you get game over, then your opponent goes back. Yeah, just click this restart button. Thanks.